Hi everyone. Just like to thank you for this opportunity for me to demo our simple customer application on mobile itself, especially for retailers to lodge a complaint of maintenance or services that needed to be given to Titan Oil and Gas, right? At first, when you see the app, you will see this page, right? uh, where you key in the username and password. So currently I'm using a test username, and in future you will see as what do you call that, the BHP Subang Jaya or such, right? Currently is on numbers, right? Just key in, just give me a second. Titan Oil and then the password. Okay, once you log in, it will be remembered. You don't need to key in the login again the next time you use the app, right? And the first page that you see is that it'll give you the greeting, and then it'll show you the simple app. We have a request section, we've got your inbox, and we've got your settings, all right? And settings is whereby you have your profile, your synchronization, the language that you prefer, support, and all that, right? The inbox, you will see the notifications of all the requested acceptance, all right, of the cases. And then let's go into request sector. But before that, it is also advisable that every time you log into this app, if you look at the top right corner, there will be a sync button. Um, it's better to actually do a one-time sync whenever you log in. And let's go to request. Okay, I will explain to you the application features on how to request a new job and the steps of it, right? What you see over here are the current cases, active, non-active, cancelled, new, and all such, right? If you want to create a new case, what happens is that you go to the bottom right, you will see the orange button with the plus sign, right? Click that. It will bring you to the request information, right? So what we have over here is the faulty asset, okay? Asset being that once you click into it, you will see air compressor, dispenser, hanging part, STP and controller, tire inflator. So once you select any one of these, the preview of the selected case type will be different. What I mean by that, like let's say, let's go to air compressor, right? And if I were to go to case type and click the drop down itself, it will give you belt snap, noisy, not working, oil leaking, running non-stop. Okay. Then if you were to uh, go back to, let's say, dispenser, and the case type will be different, right? You will see all pump, no delivery, over undershoot, piston meter, slow delivery, hit by a vehicle, no delivery, and such. Okay. uh, Even hanging part, all right, when you look at the case tab, then you have more selections over here. You got breakaway dislodged by itself, breakaway nozzle got worn out, latch spring faulty, etc., and etc. So you basically get a brief idea of how the case types are typed to the asset types. Okay, so let's simulate a situation here. Let's say I want to make a complaint about our dispenser. All right, the dispenser, the case type is actually right. Okay, I want to know that all pumps no delivery. All pumps meaning that to say that, let's say, is only RON 97 itself, there is no delivery. So as the pump number over here appears, you can select multiple pumps at one time. So let's say 97, you've got pump 3 and 4, all right, and then 6 and 7 is also 97, and 10 and 11, right? So from there, I put in the description as all 97, no delivery. Okay. From there, select the product raw 97. Okay. Status is as new because you're just newly created. So there are options here that you can upload a photo if you want to. Advisable is to actually take it from the photo setting. Take photo setting, and you could also upload from photo from library, but best is to take photo. Example like this, right? Take this, and then, right, I can give a description to the picture and save, right? This is totally optional, right? Even the documentation to attach is also optional. So basically this is just it. So after that, you just press submit. Okay, and you will receive a case number. The case number is hashtag 101172, right? And you will see subject is corrective maintenance, and description of the fault, customer location, which is BHP Subang Jaya, right? Contact, there will be the person's name, and then contact number, and so forth, right? And you've got the log date over here as well, created date as well, right? So you have the picture of what you have taken just now appearing here, right? And then there are case logs that is appearing at the bottom here. Okay, so what happens is that once this is done, all right, if I would to press the synchronize to sync it, right, all right, you will see on the open cases hashtag 101172, all right, is stated as new. Okay, so when our guys in our office, our customer service has picked up the case, all right, they will assign to the proper person to get the fix done, right? In that process, once they have accepted the case, all right, only when you do a synchronization again, Mahin, are you done? All right. So once we have accepted the case, that means we have already assigned a technician to go to your place to get the problem fixed, right? And the status will show as it is accepted. Okay, so the process of our maintenance guys, whenever they go to a station, they fix it, they change the parts, and resolve the problem, right? The process of the SMRR is still the same. They will still get verification from your stations, from your station assistants or the dealer themselves, all right? And once it's shop at sign, and they will close on their phone application. Darren Which, all right, once they have done that, at any point, once you know that they have done the job itself, right, because they show up at your petrol kiosk and do the job, do another synchronize. This one, right? Correct. So you can see that the case is marked as resolved in the resolve tab on top here, right? Case number 101172 has been resolved, right? Once it's resolved, our customer service will be notified to close the case once they verify it. So as long as they have been the job has been notified to our customer service, and when they proceed to close it, all right, whenever you do another sync, it will disappear, right? It will show in that all tabs that this case, as you can see here, is already marked as closed. So this is how simple what do you call that, case log is used for customers. And as you can see, that is very simple. It's just a couple of minutes of doing it. I believe that once you use it more often and more frequently, it will be much easier to use, right? And not much of complications. A lot of things that happens itself, you could even describe on the description side over here if you have any particular what do you call that, request. Okay, and most of these requests are based on one issue and one request. All right, so if you have any other questions, kindly contact us. We'll be very happy to help you, and hope that this app will bring you benefit. Thank you very much for your attention. All right, bye bye.